Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a design software called Figma. Now what is Figma? Figma is an interface design tool that runs in the browser. It is generally used for user interface design, which is UX or UI design. Now what is UX or UI design? UX or UI design is basically designing the interface of an app or a website. Figma is an always online tool which allows you collaboration with your teammates. Multiple people can come and work on one single project. They can provide suggestion, view it or edit it. Although Figma is a browser based, there are desktop versions for it for both Windows and iOS. So let's start with how to download the software on your desktop and how to use it on your browser. So if you go on the official website of Figma.com, you have the features options where if you click on the feature option, you'll have downloads. Just go on it. In Figma downloads, there is a desktop app. So there is a desktop app version for Mac or Windows. Depending on which one you use, please click on it. So I use the Windows option. So let me just click on it. On the left hand side, you see the setup app, the setup downloading. All you need to do is wait for it to download and that's it. You have your app on your desktop. Now the browser part. So for that, you can use Figma online. All you need to do is sign up. So sign up with Google or just put in your email ID or password and create your account. Since I already have an account, let me log in for you. So this is the basic interface of Figma. In further videos, we're gonna cover how to use this software. So stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.